as a nurse with the difference, and I make learning easy and accessible for students. For those that are not in our revision class on Telegram, you are sincerely and truly missing out. To get involved, kindly send a message to the WhatsApp number on your screen. But today on this video, we're going to be talking about the importance of breastfeeding. Actually, a student of mine also shared this with me, and I would like to share it with everybody today. But before we go into details, kindly click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification button so you don't miss out. Let's go there. Right, welcome back. Like I earlier said, today we're going to be talking about the importance of breastfeeding. Do you know the importance of breastfeeding is breastfeeding? Alright, by the end of this class, you should be able to tell me that. You should be able to keep it in your memory so you don't forget forever and ever. So the first importance of breastfeeding we have on the board is B. It is best for baby. You will agree with me that breastfeeding is the best food for baby. That is why we as nurses educate and encourage mother to carry out exclusive breastfeeding because it is the best food for the baby. Then the other is arrow, reduce allergy. In breastfeeding, there is reduced allergy compared to artificial foods such as your NAN. There's reduced allergy. Some children are allergic to some particular baby food. Some children are not allergic, but with breastfeeding there's reduced allergy. You hardly see children that are allergic to their mother's breast milk. So in breastfeeding, one of the importance is what? Reduce allergy. Then the other one is easily digestible. Breast milk is easily digestible compared to your artificial food. The protein in the human breast, it's easily digestible compared to that cow protein. So that's why we say breast milk is what's easily digestible. Then the other one is affordability. You don't have to go to the pharmacy to get breast milk. You don't have to go to the hospital to get breast milk. It is easily affordable. All you need to do as a mother is to eat well so your baby can get the essential nutrients through the breast milk. So breast milk is what? It's easily affordable. Then the other is stool inoffensive. Stool inoffensive. That is, the stool does not smell badly like from artificial food, what you get from artificial food. So the stool from breastfeeding is stool what? Inoffensive. Then the other one is temperature is normal. The temperature of the breast milk is normal because it is coming directly from the mother's breast. Unlike the NAN, you have to prepare and all those stuff. When you get them, you have to check the right temperature to see if it's too hot or too cold for the baby. You try as much as possible to adjust the temperature. But with breast milk, the temperature is what? It's normal, so you don't have to stress yourself over that. Then F, the feeding is normal. Feeding is what? Normal. No stress, as I said. Then E, emotional bonding. This is one of the importance of breastfeeding that I like very, very well. Emotional bonding. Breastfeeding creates an emotional bond between the mother and the child. Breastfeeding creates an emotional connection, a divine connection between the mother and the child. So that is one of the importance of breastfeeding that I admire a lot. Alright, E is economical. It's more or less saying that it is affordable, it is cheap, it is economical. Then D is development. We encourage mothers to do exclusive breastfeeding because this helps the child's brain to develop properly. This helps the child to get all the essential nutrients that he or she needs at that particular moment. So with breastfeeding development, it's dope compared to your artificial food. Then the other is involution. Involution. Breastfeeding helps to the uterus to go back to normal after delivery. Breastfeeding what? Help the uterus to go back to normal after delivery. And breastfeeding can also be seen as a family planning method. Yes, because most of the times after delivery, when a mother is breastfeeding, the release of egg and fertilization, all those things involved in procreation might be impaired. You get now? So breastfeeding is important because of involution. Then with breastfeeding, it's nutritionally balanced. Unlike the baby food, you have to get carbohydrate, you have to get energy giving food, you have to get protein. All of them are different. But with breastfeeding, especially for mothers who are eating right, the child tends to get all the nutrients in it. The child tends to be enriched. The child tends to have the essential nutrients needed. Then the last one I have here is gastroenteritis free. Most children or most people taking artificial baby food, they tend to have gastroenteritis. But with breastfeeding, you hardly see a child that is being breastfed thoroughly going down with what? Gastroenteritis. So these are the importance of breastfeeding. And this particular format I use, which is what? Breastfeeding, was shared to me by my students. I also learn from my students and they learn from me. That is the fun of teaching. Thank you very much. If you know you got value, kindly click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification button, like the video, drop the comments in the comment section, and also share with your friends. Thanks, and have a wonderful day ahead. Keep smiling. You deserve to be happy.